Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Remember, if you're purchasing a condo, it's extremely important to get the CC&Rs, the financial statement of the homeowners association, and the most recent 12 months of meeting minutes before you purchase that condo. When you buy a condo, you're buying into a community, and there's financial aspects of that community that have to be investigated just to make sure that you're not going to be in a tough spot going forward. So if you're the purchaser of a condo, you want three things. Number one, you want to get a copy of the CC&Rs. You want to know what you can and can't do in that condo complex. Number two, you want 12 months of financial statements so you know whether or not the homeowners association is solvent. Now, if they're not solvent, they'll get solvent, but they'll raise a special assessment on all the property owners to regain solvency. You want to know that before you buy in that condo complex. And number three, of course, you want 12 months of meeting minutes. You want to know exactly what was spoken about in those homeowners association meetings and whether or not they're meeting. A lot of mismanaged homeowners associations you might find haven't met in a while, or the meeting minutes aren't kept properly. That might be indicative of how that particular project is run. So don't forget, if you buy a condo, you want the CC&Rs, 12 months of meeting minutes, and the homeowners association financial statements.